Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. So once you have opened your Facebook app and then go to the top right corner, click on three bar icon. Now click on settings. Now click on account center. Now under the account settings, click on password and security. Now click on two-factor authentication. Now select your Facebook profile. Now select your authentication app. After that you can see your authentication app. Now to turn off your two-factor authentication, just click to disable and then click on turn off. And that's how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.